Before the final blow was struck, I tore open a portal in time and flung him into the future, where my evil is law. Now the fool seeks to return to the past and undo the future that is Aku.
Hi, I'm Anita.
And I'm John, and the other day we were watching Samurai Jack. We like Samurai Jack a lot. And Anita asked me, during that little clip we just showed you, about the word undo. She was a little bit confused by that word. So why were you confused, honey?
It's confusing because un usually means not. For example, unhappy means not happy. Unwise means not wise. Unhealthy means not healthy. Unsafe means not safe.
Right, that's how it usually is. Un usually means not. But to undo something is to reverse it. If you're going to do something again, you're going to redo it. So when Anita explained to me why she was confused, I'd never thought of it that way. That does seem confusing. But undo does not mean not do, okay? So un usually means not, but undo means reverse. So that's our mini lesson for today. Do not be confused by undo.
Yes.